is Brad Leonard. I'm the owner-operator of LSS Forestry Mulching, based out of Creel Springs, Illinois. On a day-to-day basis, I'm doing underbrush clearing, land clearing, and tree removal. I decided to go with the TV450B with the BH74SS Fecon. I've ran some other mulchers, and this one was the best one for me, and running the carbides on it, it works great for getting down into the dirt. It leaves a pretty good finish and takes down whatever you need. I've been operating CASE equipment for a little over 10 years. It's been great to me. The service is amazing, very knowledgeable people, very great to work with. You're sitting in the machine, you can see the entire track on both sides when you're moving around. If you look over your shoulder, you can see everything. It's got a really wide rear view mirror in the front, great visibility. Touchscreen has all different kinds of options for different speeds for your arms and your boom going up and down and your track movement, and you can adjust it to different situations for the job you're doing.